In this video, I will show you how to create a Wise account. So first of all, go to wise.com and then go ahead and click on sign up. Once you do that, you will land on this page, and in here you can just first enter your email address, and you can also select to sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple. So just go ahead and select the way that you want to create your account with. So I'm just going with my Google because I think that's the most convenient. So I'm just going to click on Google. And after you've done that, they will ask what kind of account you would like to open. So you can also add this later, or you can just do it now. And I'm just going with a personal account, so I'm going to fill it in. And now you need to fill in the region where you're in right now, because they will ask you later for a proof of address. And after you've done that, you will see what you can do with Wise in your country. So you will see all of the options, and you will also see things that are not available. And you will also see all of the currencies that are available and basically stuff like that. And after that, you can just go and click on continue. And here you will see things that you cannot do with your Wise account. For example, cryptocurrency, running a business, gambling, and other restricted activities. So go ahead and click on agree and continue. And then you need to fill in your phone number in here, and then you will get a verification code. And after you've entered your verification code, you can just fill in your password, and after you can click on continue again. Now you can set your communication preferences. I'm just going to turn this off because I do not want all of the emails, and now I'm going to click on continue. After that, you need to fill in information about yourself, so your country of residence, your full legal first and middle names, and your full legal last names. And this needs to match with your ID and also with the proof of address that you're going to add in later. So make sure that you are matching everything that you're filling in here as what is on your ID. This will make the process way faster and smoother. So go ahead and fill it in and then click on continue. And after you've done that, you are almost finished with creating your Wise account. Then you only need to fill in a proof of address. And I've already done that, and I know that is really easy and convenient if you match everything that is on there with the information you're putting in here. After you have done that, you can just confirm the creation of your account, and then you can start using Wise. So it's really easy and straightforward. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.